Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to share my summer essentials. I love summertime. It's literally my favorite season, in case y'all didn't know. I did grow up in the Caribbean, so I love the warm weather. It just reminds me of my childhood. I hate winter. It's like, no. For today's video, I pulled out all of my favorite things for summer 2020, and I figured I'd share with you guys in one video. Before we get into the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, click subscribe down below to join the family and click the little notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first category is going to be jewelry, and that's something that's been really trendy, really popular this year. Gold dainty jewelry has been everywhere and I am all here for it. I love it. This portion of today's video is in partnership with Ana Luisa. I love wearing my gold dainty jewelry, so I picked out these pieces to share with you guys. I'm literally obsessed. All right, so I'm gonna start out with a necklace. So this is actually 3 pieces, but it comes as one necklace, which is actually really good because you could customize it however you want. I didn't realize that until I actually had it in my possession, and I was like, oh, okay, I like this. So I'm just gonna pull this up a little bit so you guys can see. This is the first piece right here, and it is this beautiful medallion. I love how elegant and simple, dainty it is, but it's still a little bit extra. This is the first chain of the necklace. Then you have this second chain, and it's a little bit shorter. It has this beautiful design, which is also really in this summer, and I love it. You can wear this by itself, you can wear this one by itself, you can wear them together like this, or you can add the third layer. So the third piece is this popular chain. I know you guys have seen this around because I have. I definitely love this style of link. It's so popular. It is definitely the it chain right now, and I love it as part of this necklace. So I love that as part of this necklace because you could literally wear it on its own if you wanted to, or you could obviously wear it with these other 2 pieces. You could probably wear it with just this too. I think it's really fun to be able to customize this necklace like this. So that's the first piece. The second piece are these earrings, and I thought they were just so cute and dainty. The first one is this little stardust, and the second one is a crescent, and I just love how simple, dainty, it has a little bit of bling to it, and it's just the perfect size and just the perfect amount of drama for me. I love it. They're perfect for every day, but they do have a little bit of sparkle, so you can definitely wear them out at night. So I love that, and I could also wear them in my second piercing haul right here if I wanted to just add a little pop to whatever I was wearing in the first haul. So I could do like maybe a hoop here and then this one in the second haul, and I think that would be so cute. So that's the second piece, and then I want to show you guys the third piece. So this is the third piece here, and this is how all the jewelry comes. They come in this packaging, which looks really nice. By the way, the gold necklace does come in a green pouch, but the other 2 came in a black pouch. So I'm going to show you guys the last piece because it's still in the pouch, and I'm going to open it up. This is how they come wrapped really nicely, and you just pull it out. So this is the third piece, and it's a beautiful necklace. It is a celestial piece, and I just love it, you guys. I definitely wanted to get this one because I felt like it was right up my alley. And this is the back. The back says hope, love, create, which is so cute. So this is it here, and it is so pretty. Oh my god. And this one will definitely be really nice with these earrings. I love the little beads on it. I think they're just so perfect, so cute. So that is the last piece that I wanted to share with you guys, and let's get on to the next category in accessories. I also wanted to share some hats with you guys because I think hats are perfect for the summertime. I have 3 to share with y'all because they're 3 different kind of they're similar, but they're a little different. The first one is this fedora hat, and if you live near Costco, check out your local Costco because I got this one at Costco, girl. I don't want to mess up my hair or makeup too much, but this is kind of what it looks like, and I love it. You guys, it's so pretty. This is my first little hat from Costco. It's just so easy to dress up an outfit, to go to the beach, to go out to dinner. It's just a summer essential. The next 2 hats are more similar. They're more wide brim hats. This one is more of a flat top. Oh, this one is more of a flat top, and I got this one from American Eagle. It's more flat top, and it has this thin strap right here in black, and I think it's also really pretty. Again, I don't want to put it on too, like, I don't want to really press it into my hair and mess up my hair, but this is kind of what it looks like. Really nice. I love it. And then the third hat is more of that beautiful beach summer dress hat. This is a hat that you would wear with a maxi dress, and it would just look so pretty. It has that beautiful, like, what is this, like a lettuce type of look to it, and I think it is so pretty. This one is from BooHoo, and girl, and I just love it. This is giving me like all types of luxury. I feel like wearing a straw hat in the summertime is just luxurious. Like you just look like a queen. And then the last accessory that you definitely need for the summer, I know y'all could all guess what it is, but sunglasses. Like you need some good sunglasses, and these are my newest pair. These are from Key and Lizzo, and I love these. They're so bad. Like, let me show y'all. Girl. So sunglasses are definitely a summertime essential for sure, hands down. I love styles like this, and I also love aviator styles. They fit me so well. These are from Ray-Bans. I've had these for a long time, but I'll show you guys. They're like a faded blue. I'm gonna mess my makeup up so I'm not holding them, but these are from Ray-Ban and they have a nice blue fade to them. So I love these as well. Ooh. So these are my accessory must-haves. Moving on to more body products. These were my accessories, and I'm moving on to more body products for summertime. We all love a good glow for the summer. So the first product that I have here is the new Patrick, it's not new, but it's newer to my collection, is the Patrick Ta for Body A Moment Bronze. This is a spray bronzer product. It's like beautiful sparkle to your body. It's so pretty. It's not chunky glitter. It's beautiful. I'm gonna spray it on my arm so you guys can get an idea what it looks like. You can't really see, so I'm gonna just rub it in. Hopefully you can get some type of idea of what it looks like. It just looks so pretty. Your skin looks glowy and sparkly. This one also smells really good. So this is my first pick for body spray. And then I have this one. This is from Estee Lauder. This is the Bronze Goddess. This is my original favorite. Like I love this product so much. I actually got this at an Estee Lauder event a few years, like 2 or 3 years ago, and I have been obsessed with it. I use it very sparingly because, girl, she's just so amazing, and it smells so good as well. So these products both smell amazing. This one is very similar. Oh, the smell. Oh, I forgot how good this smells. It smells so good, y'all. So this is how it looks. They look very similar, as you can tell. The Estee Lauder one does give you a slighter wet look. You can kind of see here, and I love them both. I think you need something like this in your collection. Like you definitely do. Like I like spraying this all over my chest, and if I'm wearing like a open top like this one, or just my if I'm wearing a top like this one or a bandeau, it's perfect because your entire décolleté area is so sparkly and beautiful. I love it. All right, the next product is from Supergoop, and it's SPF. It's the same type of idea, but except this one does not have any sparkle, but it has SPF of 50, which is amazing. It's so beautiful on the skin. It gives you a beautiful glow, and it gives you SPF at the same time. So that's definitely a bonus. So, oh my god. I just sprayed my face, y'all. So I'm gonna just put some on my hands so you guys can see. It sprays out a lot wider, and you just rub it in. It also gives you a beautiful glow. I actually love using this on my feet when I have a fresh pedicure in the summertime and I'm wearing sandals. I spray this on my feet and they look so good, and they're also protected with SPF. So I spray this all over my feet and they look fabulous, girl. Like they look glowy, they have SPF, and they are not ashy, okay? So that's my little summertime trick with this oil. I also have one from Neutrogena that I love. The next body care item is from Neutrogena, and it's the 100 Plus Body Mist. It's a sunscreen with 100 SPF, but girl, the sunscreen is beautiful. We love that we have sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must. But when I tell you, this makes you look so glowy and so beautiful. I heard about this product from JLo's makeup artist. He did not lie. Like, this is so pretty. I already have glow on my skin, so you probably won't tell a difference. But maybe you can still see like what it did right here. This is such a beautiful product. I just love spraying this on my body. It gives me a beautiful glow, and it makes me so summertime ready. This is a beautiful product, and you get like a 2-in-1 as well, SPF plus a glow. So sticking with body, the next category is going to be fragrance, and I have two that I have been obsessing over this summer. So the first one is from Dolce & Gabbana, and it is light blue, Love is Love. This one smells so beautiful. These are all summertime in a bottle. I got this one back in May, I believe, or June, around there. I love the light blue intense version, and I love this one. So these two are my favorite from light blue. They are both beautiful for the summertime, and I would definitely recommend this. This is a new fragrance. It came out this year, and it smells amazing, girl. So definitely go smell this. It's bomb, and it's perfect for the summertime. The next one is my Byredo. I love it. It is called Sundays. The name alone just reminds me of summertime. This is perfect for the summer. This is another summer in the bottle type of fragrance. This is summer aesthetic, okay? Like, it's literally beautiful. It's the smell for me, okay, girl? Like, it's so beautiful. I love it. It's elegant, it's bougie, it's bad. Like, it's a beautiful fragrance. You will be turning heads. Like, you will be turning your own head. Like, who is that? I love this fragrance. It is so beautiful and it smells amazing. Next, I wanted to share with you guys some sunscreens, because sunscreen for the face is definitely a must. I have two here. They're both from Supergoop. This one is terribly dirty, so please ignore that. If you have a darker skin tone like myself, this one is amazing. It is completely clear, like it's see-through, and it will be amazing for your skin tone because you will not see it at all. So I love wearing this one when I'm wearing no makeup, because you literally will not see it. So this is one of my go-tos, and I do have acne prone skin, but this one does not bother or trigger my acne, I noticed. So I do use this one very comfortably. If you do have acne, mineral sunscreens are recommended more so than these types of sunscreens. So anything that says mineral on there, like this one here from Supergoop as well, says mineral, and this one is recommended more so for acne prone skin. I love this one because it is mattifying. So I do use this one quite often under makeup because it is mattifying as well as being a mineral sunscreen. They're amazing. You do need sunscreen in the summertime because it's going to help you with hyperpigmentation. It will help prevent your dark spots from getting darker or forming in the first place. So definitely have a good sunscreen in your little summertime collection. Next for the face is a facial spray. This is just any facial spray, mist, cooling thing that you can find, and this is great if you're on the go and you just feel like being refreshed. This is perfect. This one is from Trader Joe's, but there's so many out there on the market. Just go pick up a facial mist so you can spray your face whenever you're feeling hot or you just want to freshen up and feel nice and beautiful again. So these are definitely perfect for the summertime and they make you feel amazing, and this one smells really good. I did want to include a couple makeup essentials, and it's just two items that I think are definitely summertime essentials. The first one is highlighter, and this is a new one. This is from MAC. This is from MAC and Tiana Taylor, but I do think highlighter is a summertime essential for sure, girl. Like, it'll make you glow, you will look beautiful. I already showed you, I did include body highlighters in this video, but face highlighters are also amazing for the summertime. If you can get your hands on this one, I definitely do recommend it because it is so beautiful. But I definitely think highlighters are amazing for the summertime. So the next and last item for the summer is definitely a lip gloss. Girl, I love lip gloss, but in the summertime, lip gloss is a must. I do love lip gloss. I think it is perfect for the summertime. One I've been really into right now is from Maybelline, and this is the Lifter Glosses. They're so beautiful, amazing. I highly recommend these. This one is in the shade Stone. I have Amber, Stone, and two other shades, and they're all freaking beautiful. So I definitely do recommend these for the summertime. I also love Dose of Color lip glosses. They were beautiful. I love the formula. Fenty is, it's Fenty, girl. Like, it's bomb. Okay, the Gloss Bomb is where it's at. Love NYX lip glosses, and I love the Glossier lip gloss, which is always missing in my life. My Glossier lip gloss is always missing because it literally goes from bag to bag, and I can never find it. I just realized that I should probably get like 3 of those so I could have them in different bags at the same time because I need it. I love that lip gloss. It's beautiful. So I'm going to throw on a little bit more of this Fenty. This one is Confetti from Fenty. So these were my summertime essentials. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know any of your summer essentials down below in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you once again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I love these pieces. They're beautiful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.